Introducing the Aveeno Baby Mommy and Me Daily Bath Time Gift Set, a perfect bundle of care for both baby and mom. Pamper your little one with the gentlest ingredients and give yourself a well-deserved treat with our Stress Relief Body Wash. This comprehensive set includes 4 essential items: Baby Wash and Shampoo, Calming Baby Bath and Wash, Baby Moisturizing Lotion, and Stress Relief Body Wash. With Aveeno's trusted formulas, you can trust us to provide the best care for you and your baby. Begin your bath time routine with Aveeno Baby Wash and Shampoo, a tear-free formula that gently cleanses your baby's delicate skin and hair. Enriched with natural oat extract, it nourishes and soothes your baby's skin, leaving it feeling soft, smooth, and oh so huggable. Say goodbye to dryness and irritation, and say hello to a happier, healthier baby. For a calming and soothing bath time experience, turn to Aveeno Calming Baby Bath and Wash. Its gentle lavender and vanilla scents create a relaxing atmosphere, helping your baby unwind after a long day. The nourishing oat extract leaves your little one's skin feeling moisturized and nurtured. Embrace the joy of bath time with this tender touch of tranquility. Pamper yourself with Aveeno Stress Relief Body Wash, specially designed for moms who deserve a moment of relaxation. The soothing lavender and chamomile scents create a blissful shower experience, washing away the stresses of the day. The soap-free formula gently cleanses your skin, leaving it feeling refreshed, revitalized, and ready to take on the world. Complete your daily routine with Aveeno Baby Moisturizing Lotion, a nourishing blend that keeps your baby's delicate skin moisturized for 24 hours. Formulated with natural colloidal oatmeal, it helps protect and strengthen the skin's natural moisture barrier. Say goodbye to dryness and hello to velvety soft, healthy skin for your little one. Trust Aveeno, a brand recommended by pediatricians, to provide gentle care for your baby and pamper yourself in the process. Our Mommy and Me Daily Bath Time Gift Set is the perfect way to create beautiful moments with your baby while nurturing your own well-being. Give the gift of love and care with Aveeno. Indulge in the ultimate bath time experience with the Aveeno Baby Mommy and Me Daily Bath Time Gift Set. Our carefully curated collection of products is designed to nourish, soothe, and pamper both baby and mom. Each item in this set is thoughtfully formulated with gentle ingredients that are safe for delicate skin. Aveeno Baby Wash and Shampoo is not just a cleanser, it's a caring touch that leaves your baby's skin feeling soft and smooth. The tear-free formula ensures a gentle bathing experience, while the natural oat extract provides nourishment and hydration. With Aveeno, you can trust that your baby's skin is receiving the utmost care it deserves. The Calming Baby Bath and Wash takes bath time to a whole new level. The soothing blend of lavender and vanilla scents creates a tranquil ambiance, perfect for winding down before bedtime. As you lather your little one, the oat extract works to moisturize and protect their delicate skin, leaving it feeling calm, refreshed, and ready for a peaceful slumber. We understand that being a mom comes with its own set of challenges and stresses. That's why we've included the Stress Relief Body Wash for moms in this gift set. Treat yourself to a rejuvenating shower experience with the calming aroma of lavender and chamomile. The soap-free formula gently cleanses, while the nourishing ingredients leave your skin feeling silky smooth and nourished. To complete the ritual, Aveeno Baby Moisturizing Lotion provides long-lasting hydration for your baby's skin. Enriched with natural colloidal oatmeal, it helps to soothe and protect their skin barrier, preventing dryness and irritation. The lightweight, non-greasy formula absorbs quickly, leaving behind only soft, supple skin. Give the gift of love and self-care with the Aveeno Baby Mommy and Me Daily Bath Time Gift Set. Whether it's for a baby shower, a birthday, or just a special treat for yourself and your little one, this set is sure to create cherished moments and nurture the bond between you and your baby. Trust Aveeno's expertise in gentle skincare and embark on a bath time journey that promotes relaxation, well-being, and beautiful memories.